Simple question. What is a project on your project we're discussing?
And not in other clusters. Kasi diba nakalagay nga sa Constitution that projects on in charge of major projects. And what's equal to a major project? A major project, kasi internals is more of projects within the organization, right? So yung projects is more of, yung scope niya mas malaki.
Follow up lang. So major projects, are you saying that other projects are not as important as projects like yours?
No, sinasabi ko mas malaki talaga yung scope ng projects under the projects cluster. Pwede. Well, no, wait, no. Tapos, kunyari syempre pag e-services, it's more of the technical side na talaga. If that's what you mean. Kasi malaki rin yung scope niya, right?
What if hindi na kayang erase na externals kung i-next yung money na kailangan nyo sa projects? What measures would you take para ma-address how to be? Pero may tatanggalin ka bang project kasi not executed altogether? Or magpo-cost cutting kayo and if so, anong klase?
Wait, what do you mean by as in how?
Kunwari,
How?
for year-end report, kunwari 80,000 gusto nyo yung budget, pero 40,000 lang ang magbibigay. Ano gagawin? Habits.
Okay, we can look for cheaper ways how on implementing project. Like for example, yung venue, meron naman talagang mas murang venue. Or kung kaya, edi sa school na lang iganap. Pero, corny. Or we can also tie up with finance. We can make fundraising events. Or pag hindi talaga kaya ng externals, well, we have to take out the project na lang. Or improve on the project. Like, for example, yung community night, instead of visa members, parang pwede natin gawin charity event. So, maybe it can also help in attracting sponsors and, yun.
Okay, napansin ko sa yung social-oriented activities mo, yung nature nila is the same as this year, which is for visa members only, kinikater talaga niya. Don't you think that we should bring back mga social-oriented events na would cater also the other non-visa members, like Rock You did?
Yeah, actually, Frostbite was open to all parang visa members and their friends, except may bayad yung outsiders. And actually kasi mahal talaga yun, and with the recession going on, mahihirapan yung organization. And yun nga, I was thinking of continuing with Sin or Rock You. But the thing is, kaya lang napansin ko at the past, meron talaga yung projects na yun because there used to be a Build a Lab and those projects were used as a fundraiser. And wala na rin naman tayo, pero hindi na naman natin kailangan yun. And anyway, there are also other organizations here in Ateneo which forwarded na lang yung mga projects na yun. So, we as an MIS organization can also stick it with our forwarded and invite other people to join.
Aside from being a fundraiser na project, what do you think yung reason na bakit tinagal natin si Asia and Rock? And if kung feeling mo wala ng ibang rason, gusto mo bang ibalik yung Asia and Rock?
Sinabi ko rin na kasi mas forte rin yun ng other organizations. And we can implement other projects na parang mas may makukuha yung visa members. Like community night nga, parang mas centered on them.
Okay, last question. Sige, last two questions, sorry. Yung isa is for the volunteers. Ano ang solution na magagawa ko sa volunteers? Just like yung problem with Francine. And the problem ng project itself. Anong gagawin mo sa mga volunteers natin na may empower sila? Actually, nandun, meron tayong volunteers, pero yung iba tumutulong, pero yung iba hindi. So, ano magagawa mo doon?
The thing about people is you really can't force them kung ayaw nila. Diba? Pero, okay, about the volunteers, I propose na instead of calling them volunteers, they can be called trainees. Diba? Parang mas special yung dating. Pero, yun nga, kasi, I propose na sana, para start pa lang ng planning stage of the event, of the project, they can also help with it na rin, or they can be made aware right away kung ano na ba yung developments na nangyari sa project. Parang kasi, like, one of the volunteers told me na, yun niya yung problem kasi parang feeling nila na kailangan lang sila kunyari manpower or parang hard work na. I mean, pwede naman sila rin isama sa planning stage.
Okay, pero aside from that, what if yung members ayaw talaga? Yung trainees mo ayaw talaga magpakita sa'yo? Hindi na naman sila napakita. Yeah, that's it. At sa isang project na yun, wala kang volunteers or wala kang trainees.
There are always friends and connections that we can use or that can always help. No, really, kasi diba kung wala talaga, who else can you go to but your friends? And the friends of your project heads pwede naman tumulong. Or what we can also do is to ask help from the block representatives or course representatives. No, actually more of block representatives kasi pag mas active talaga pag freshmen.